Rudder on. It's very windy out here today. It does sit very low at the back. I might put the battery under the front, there's plenty of room. Or we could just go and try it like it is. Battery's only held in with blue tack anyway, so I can easily shift it. Wouldn't surprise me if it flips over under full power. Still plenty of foam in there, so it should at least float. Bit of a squeeze to get the servo in there. So plenty of room up here to move the battery to the front if we want to. That'll do for today.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.